I'm poo-pooing like you. I always poo-poo.
I'm not poo-pooing. I'm eating. Oh, and I pooped. Hey guys, welcome to Jam&Jesse's channel. Today we're going to be opening the Pooparoos Surpriseroos for the first time. We have never opened this before and we're wondering what's inside. Let's go check it out. The first step is open, then swirl, then reveal. There's a big list of Poopies. I call them Poopies. And the little poop figure. And they're bouncy. And I think they're squishy and bouncy. So I'm really excited. We have some water aside and we're going to do that for the swirl part. So let's go open it up. You can get one big poop figure and you can get 3 little Poopies.
Ooh, I got the extra one.
That is not extra. Oh, there it is. You forgot about the scooper. Oh, you got it.
This is what I got.
This is what I got. I got the little unicorn. It's so squishy.
Wait, you also have to put your finger here and pretend your finger is the tongue. Okay?
Do you really? This is what I got. We got a little unicorn here with blue and pink hair and a pink translucent cord. It's really shiny and squishy too. There's a hole in the bottom right here and it has a pink tail. Here's what Jessie got. It's also shiny and blue and it has pink hair. It's really cute and it has 2 little teeth right here. I think this one's the cutest. It also has a little yellow puff on it and a pink tail. We don't really know what animal this is. This may be a dog. And it also has a hole on the bottom, like the unicorn. All Pooparoos have these holes on the bottom, but I'm not sure what they do. Me and Jessie are pouring some water inside right now. So now we have these little bags, but don't open these, guys. We have these 3 bags, and we're going to put it here and mix it until it dissolves. After that, we're going to get our Poopies, and we're going to put it in their mouth and feed it, then make it poop out. You can use the toilet for that. So let's go. Okay, I put in the first one, and the second one, and the third one. Does it smell like anything? Okay, now let's mix it up. And then let's go up here. Okay, now let's try to dig up our Poopies. Oh, here's my first Poopy then. Here's the little first Poopy. It's red with green ears. It's a hot dog with relish? I don't know. Just green relish, I guess. And it's really cute. Now let's go check out our next Poopy.
A cupcake.
Ow, don't splash me.
A cupcake. I want a cupcake. This is my Poopy. A cupcake. Ew, yucky. I don't want to hold it anymore. Your Poopy.
Oh, my second one. I think it's like a cupcake. 2, yeah. Here's a little bottom.
I
think these can be.
I had a pink one.
I think these can be a pencil topper. Some of these. It's a cupcake with blue frosting. It has a little cute face and some chocolate syrup on top of it. Next, I think we're gonna get a donut. Oh yes. Oh.
I found a
Let it
poo-poo.
go. Here's our donut. It's a strawberry donut because it's pink. It has a cute face too, just like the cupcake and the hot dog. And ew. And it has chocolate bullies or frosting. Okay, now let's try feeding it. Oh. So you put 1, 2, And you can dig them out again with your spoon. Once you're done, you can throw away the water, but then when you play with it again, you can add new water. But this time it's gonna be clean instead of this dirty, yucky, dissolved water. It's gonna be clean, clear water.
He finished it. This is my other poopy. This one is a real poo-poo and this one is a hamburger poo-poo.
It's not a hamburger, it's a macaron.
Move it out again. It's a poo-poo. That's nice. Ew, you poop it out. Now then you turn it. Hi, Twilight Glimmer.
I'm not Starlight Glimmer. I'm not Twilight Glimmer. I named mine Starlight.
Hi, Twilight. I'm poo-pooing in one.
Gonna eat. Yum, 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 yum. This, guys, is very fun to play with. So if you want to try it, I feel like it's really, you're gonna love it because these are really fun to play with. I love these little Pooparoos. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like our video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Jam&Jesse, and make sure to ring that bell button so you won't miss any videos from us. I really enjoyed this Pooparoos, and look, it even has storage. This hanger can be used for the spatula that you can hang up here. This area can be used for your Poopies. And this area can be used for your Pooparoos. Bye guys, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye! That is cute like prom.